Welcome back. Happy 250th birthday, America. What better way to celebrate Independence Day than to check out some classic American muscle cars? And fittingly, there's some great new inventory on the lot this week. This is all new inventory. In fact, it's so new that everything I'm about to show you is not yet available and won't become available until around noon on Monday. You can check maplemotors.com around that time to get prices, specs, 100 detailed pictures, and everything you need to know about these rides and answers to any questions you may have. And even though I'm giving you an early sneak peek, you can get an even earlier sneak peek by becoming a channel member. You get early access to the lot walk videos, and those early sneak peeks also include the lot walk girls as an added bonus. If you want to see that early version of the video, you can scan this QR code on the screen, follow the sign up instructions, or I'll put a link in the comments below. We're starting front and center at the lot. Two things that never go out of style is freedom and horsepower, and this is a good representation of both. You're looking at a 1960 Chevy Bel Air. It's got a black, blue, and silver paint job that'll certainly stand out on the road. Let's take a closer look inside and out. Next up, another American classic, a 1986 Chevy Monte Carlo. This one probably won't last long. Let's check it out. Finishing up here on the front row, these are few and far between on the lot. You're looking at a 1969 AMC AMX. Let's take a look. What's more American than a classic Camaro? You're looking at a black and yellow 1970 Chevy Camaro. Let's take a closer look. Next up, you knew there was going to be at least one new Chevelle on the lot. You're looking at a 1966 Chevy Chevelle. I like the orange color. Let's take a closer look at it. And last but not least, don't see too many of these on the lot. You're looking at a 1964 Mercury Comet. Let's take a closer look. And before we go, let's take a quick peek into the showroom. All right, some nice rides this week. I'm looking forward to all these test drives. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite of the week. And on this 4th of July, I want to especially appreciate our military members. So if you served in the military, let us know in the comments below what branch you served in so we can appreciate you on this Independence Day. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the first look at all the new inventory each week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. God bless America.